dumpster rental service in Lawrence, New York. When you need a dependable dumpster rental service in Lawrence, New York, S&S Containers Incorporated is here to help. We specialize in providing efficient waste management solutions for projects of all sizes. Whether it's a home renovation cleanup or construction project, we have the right dumpster. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup, helping you stay on schedule. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is always ready to assist you in selecting the right solution. Transparency is important, so we provide straightforward pricing with no hidden fees. Safety and environmental care are central to our operations. You can count on us for clean, reliable dumpsters every time. Call us at 718-648-2010 to schedule your rental today. At S&S Containers Incorporated, we're committed to simplifying waste disposal. Your trusted waste solution partner.